Hi everyone, this is Ashley from ReNew Medical Spa, and I'm here today to help give you some helpful tips and tricks on how to order during our open house, which is the week of October 19th through the 23rd, so next Monday through Friday. So you have two options to order. You can call our office at 763-515-6492 and press option 5. That will bring you to the ordering line. You can also email me your orders at ashley@renewumedicalspa.com. We're going to be utilizing our order form to gather all the information that we need from you to place your order, and I'm going to be dropping the order form in the comments below for your reference. If you have any pricing questions, please refer to our website at renewumedical.com. Under the specials tab includes our invitation, all our specials, giveaways, and pricing information. If you have a VIP membership with us, you are going to be getting some extra perks if you buy a skin pen PRP, a skin pen, regular skin pen, you'll be receiving a complimentary neck add-on. That's 3 complimentary neck add-ons. And if you're going to be buying a BBL photo facial package, you'll be receiving either 3 neck upgrades or chest upgrades. Also, if you are going to be getting your treatment done during the week of our fabulous fall event, October 19th through the 23rd, our open house pricing will be applied automatically to your treatments and products. If you're going to be buying on package, please take note that you must redeem your package between now and March 31st of 2021.